If you're serious about your fitness or your baking, precision is everything. Meet the Atexity Digital Kitchen Scale. This gadget makes it effortless to switch between grams and ounces, so you get the perfect measurement every single time. Whether you're tracking macros for keto, meal prepping for the week, or just perfecting that bread recipe, this scale is a game changer. Check out that sleek 304 stainless steel finish. It's durable, easy to clean, and looks premium on any countertop. The crystal clear LCD means no more squinting to see your results, even in low light. It's the medium size, perfect for big plates but slim enough to store anywhere. Level up your kitchen game with Atexity. Don't forget to like and follow 5-Star Gadget Gallery for more essential tech.